There are a few tools you can use to help you with both creating and testing your markup.
For example, this is a simple free editor that allows you to select a type: person, product, event, organization, movie, book, or review, enter the information, and then get microdata formatted markup. While you type in your data, the editor creates the basic HTML code for you and adds the microdata properties. Over on the right, you can see both what the entered text will look like, before you add your own formatting, of course, and a box containing the code. You can then copy this code into your web pages. There are various other markup tools available for various purposes. The company that created this tool, Raven, also provides a free WordPress plugin for creating markup directly within WordPress. Google provides a more sophisticated tool you might play with. You begin by selecting the type of data you need, and then you can either drop the HTML into a box or simply enter a URL and Google will retrieve it for you. You then simply highlight the fields on the page, the name of the product, the price, the description, the image, and so on, and each time a menu pops up from which you'll select the data type. Then click the Create HTML button, and Google provides you with the code. Google also provides a test tool. You can paste your code into the tool, or again, enter a URL, and Google will go retrieve the HTML. Click Validate, and Google provides you with a quick report telling you what's working and what isn't. These two Google systems are also available from within your Google Webmaster account, which you'll see in a later lesson in the Other Resources section of the Webmaster account. The Webmaster account also has a structured data dashboard, which you can find in the Search Appearance menu. This tool shows you what Google has learned about your site based on the structured data you have in the site.
So there is help for you out there, and you can find more specialized tools too, such as data markup tools for Joomla and Drupal. Bing has a markup validator in its Webmaster account too. So spend a little time searching and you'll probably find what you need if these examples are not enough.